Um, I mean, regarding art activities, na, most of the time we parents are doing. At least Rohanika doesn't do that. So if some activity, I mean, I don't know how you can simplify all those activities also, a little less, little uncomplicated. But I mean, that is the only thing. I mean, these are not doing. Frankly speaking, at least Rohanika doesn't do. So the point of it is, I mean, at times, yes, we want to introduce art. That's a fun activity, but they are not doing it.
Okay.
Now can I change my dress? After taking bath. Mm, okay, if you want to go, change.
Okay.
Ask Usha to help you.
Okay. Teachers, any thought that you have around it?
Um, Actually, main thing is art and craft. For art and craft, actually fine motor skills improvement. Okay, if they are doing that art and craft, that is the improvement of their fine motor skills. So actually, if it is face to face now, we are just telling them do it slowly, and it's far away. And if all the parents are sitting beside, they are ready to. They know that parents are ready to help us. So if they are not able to do it, leave it. जैसे भी करता है, leave it. मतलब
Okay.
it should not be perfect. Don't ask that it will be perfect like teacher ने जैसे बना same to same. It's not possible. So we are trying to do. Don't compare that teacher ने इतना बनाया मैंने इतना बनाया. No, it's their fine motor skill development, not only brain. So their fingers will move properly. So if they're following the instruction also, they fold it like this, fold it like that, color it within the border. That means they are listening to you and they are trying to do that thing. मतलब suppose I'm telling fold it from right hand, so they are trying to do it from the right side. So it's an also taking a command and following that command. So it may not come in a single day or single year also. And this year it's virtual class. It's very
Yeah.
difficult for them also to understand what I'm doing. So it's very difficult for them. We know we can
Actually,
understand.
I also try to let her do, but then she's like, "Mama, help me! Mama, help
That's
me!"
why I'm telling now.
Or she starts crying. Then it's like, "ठीक है यार, कर दो."
Hmm.
That's why I'm telling it because they need help. If you go to this, I don't know about the grade one, grade two. I think so. If they are also sitting with their parents and they are also asking help for them because it's not possible to do alone. Because you think your our fine motor skill and their fine motor skill is far different. So you
Yeah,
cannot
exactly.
expect that same to same or near about that also. But if they are following that instruction, try to do that. That is our target. Our target is to improvement of their fine motor, not that art and craft what they made. It's not our. That's why we are trying to do not that cutting. Also, we are telling parents do it. We are not telling them to do it because it's not for them. We are telling them to coloring, folding like that.
Mm.
Our motto to improve their motor skills only. Because you can keep it for a 3 4 years 5 years after that you will say it's like kachra chalo throw karte. But our target is not that one. Our target is this these three fingers mainly, so that it will help for in the future. So am I right? Yeah, you all can suggest that. It's my thoughts as a teacher I
Padma
can
teacher,
tell
I will
you, and
just fill
as
you
a
in.
parent.
Ruhanika's mom said that everything's fine, but she feels that the art class that we are doing with children, child is not always able to follow it, and she does it only if the parent is looking to help. Otherwise, it is not possible for her to do it. So you joined in exactly when Sanchita teacher started giving the
That
response.
yes. I could somehow relate it because the answers that she was giving was very logical for me to relate it that it is something to do with fine motors. And fine motors is all about writing, all about the art activity, all about the coloring activity and craft activity. So I was able to. So yes, as she rightly said, Sanchita teacher rightly said that it will need some guidance, some support, some facilities, and some mm, some intervention, I would say, कि तुम ऐसा नहीं ऐसा कर लो, because it's not very easy. It's not very easy to fold a paper at the age of 50 and also at the age of 5 or 4, right?
Yeah.
But it is easy otherwise. So when you are helping, that time also you need a help, this time also you will need a help. So it's nice to help your child because that gives a correct direction to your children and correct guidance. And at first time, if you give a correct guidance, it will last for long, right? Instead of she doing it and untidy work, it is you are allowed to help. Again, the purpose is not to get the art activity done. We are not looking for a bird, or we are not looking for a boat, or we are not looking for anything. We are looking that the child is putting that efforts to fold. The child is trying to exercise the fine motors. That is the objective of the child, of the teacher, when she's planning a art activity with me. So as long as the child is able to fold it, or place the fine motors in the correct posture, or do it in the correct way, teacher says she is doing it fantastically, because she's not looking for the outcome of the craft, because that has never been the objective. If she's folding it very good, Ruhanika, you are doing it well. Parents are noticing, अरे ये क्या बना रही है और ये teacher क्या very well बोल रही है. The other way of saying it, to motivate her to do it correctly, or if she's folding it like this, she's appreciating that
Act.
fold, or that posture, or that formation of fine motors. She will need help. You have to help her till when she's 6 or when she's 7, because again it develops to a little difficult level as per her age. So yes, you have to help her, and that's fine. Please be
I
there.
think it's fine. She doesn't want to do it only.
Well, she's not. Yeah, I will tell you why the child does not want to do it. The child will probably not want to do it because the child is aware कि मैं अच्छी तरह से नहीं कर रही. The child is able to evaluate कि teacher का बहुत सुंदर बना और मेरा सुंदर नहीं बना. Right? So child says, oh, intelligent children will always say, I am not par at it. I don't want to do it. Either I give my best or I don't give it. First reason. Second reason, यार फाइन मोटर से मुझे प्रॉब्लम है, दूसरा सब बोल दो, इट्स नॉट माय इंटरेस्ट. You like science subject, you may not like math subject. Totally her choice. Totally her choice. आप रीडिंग बोलो, मैं रीडिंग कर लूंगी, but fine motors I don't want to do. For example, again, for you to relate it, since we have time and you want to relate it, I want to tell you, I do more of handicraft. Are you also doing it?
No, not a lot.
Yeah, but I do more of handicraft. मुझे कुछ ना कुछ करने को अच्छा लगता है. I am doing it. That's my interest. You may be doing painting. I have not done painting. So it's again interest. But there is no other way. Option देने पर ना ज़्यादा choose किया जाता है. So we will not give option कि तुमको करना है कि नहीं करना है. नहीं करना है तो ठीक है, मत करो. Option can be given when you know what are the other factors to say no. Right? कि आज she is off mood, या आज उसको बीमार है, तो हम वो option no रख सकते हैं.
Say hello to ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Then you can say no. Otherwise no नहीं चलता है. नहीं तो बच्चे हर चीज के लिए no 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 ही करेंगे.
What is he? What is he?
Yeah.
What?
What is here?
Have you
I am
applied?
Padma teacher, Ruhanika. You know Sanchita teacher. You know Devendra sir. You know Manisha teacher. Do you know Padma teacher?
She's thinking.
She knows, she keeps on repeating your name at times.
Acha. Good, good. Yes. I hope this is convincing and yeah, will be helpful for you to
Yes,
calm your and hold your patience.
definitely.
Okay.
Okay, so
Sorry. Go ahead, Padma teacher. Go ahead.
I said we only have 2 parents in. What about others?
Yeah,
Are we
all the other
messaging them?
15 are awaited, or maybe everyone's already in Diwali mode and they feel okay, everything's fine. We just spoke 3 weeks ago, now we don't want to talk anymore.
Good,
No,
good.
I think that is Sita's mom is also there.
That's Sita's dad.
The father.
Dad. Okay.
So if you would like to ask something or say something or advise teachers or guide us with something, sir, you can open your mic and talk.
The mic can be opened by all.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Actually, I'd like to see. I'm getting fantastic support from you, in the sense from the organization teachers. I really am delighted with that, and no more questions. As well as she's taking care of most of the things. I cannot give more feedback about it. But however, I have a generic question. Right now, considering the COVID situation, everyone is actually stick to their rooms or something like that. They're not going out for various reasons, and kids screen time is a lot, and probably it could be they adapt to that, and it could be a kind of problematic thing in future, like once they adapt to it, and taking them back, putting them back to the track is a kind of a challenging thing, and it happens, nothing like that.
Yeah, totally.
But how to take care of it, actually, how to minimize those things, because the other way, actually, there's a good time. Actually, Sita is actually the kids, everyone's language skills are improving a lot, and because they're watching very well the all the available resources, they're getting acquainted and they're familiarizing very well. That is the upside of it, and the downside is that they are adapting to a kind of gadget. Later point in time, it is a kind of challenging. I got a couple of things for individually, because a good number of mobile phones and tablets or something like that. Later point in time, a kind of challenging. Please, how to handle it in future? If you can give us your inputs about that.
Yeah, very good question, because you know what, Mr. Somesh, that has always been my worry. Always been my worry. But you know what makes me say that it's okay? They are meant for computer age. They are meant for computer age. One fact I have to know. I can't put my earplug because my pinna is not made for that. I am not meant for computer age. Can you hear us?
Yes, there is a network glitch, so I could not get you.
So I said that these children are made for computer age.
Yeah,
We
I
have
agree.
to understand this fact that the calculation that we were doing on pen and paper, today we are doing it on calculator. They will be doing it maybe in mobiles or this. So they are going to have this. So this specify me saying, "Acha, theek hai." Another thing that worries me saying that, "Arey, abhi to online hai," they will take some time to come back to school. Will they really enjoy that? Is again your worry. Then what pacify me saying that school say when they had taken online, from online they will definitely tune and acclimatize themselves to offline, which is so natural. So natural things come faster than the artificial one. So they are at a very, very younger age to acclimatize things. We are with our do's and don'ts. At this age, humko acceptance becomes really difficult. But at this age, children will accept very easily. Like they accept the new teacher in the class for a subject or for a grade. When they go to grade 2, they have been interacting with that teacher in and out throughout the day for 365 or 300 days. Okay. But when they go to grade 2, they are prepared that now you are going elder and you will have teacher, and that teacher will be new because now you have grown and you are in grade 2, you will be having subject teachers. So that transaction and acceptance becomes easier. We prepare them. Similarly, once we get the news, we are going to prepare them that now, we are going to make a hype of it. That's a fantastic thing that we are going to have. We are going to meet and we are going to do. So children will be more wanting to come to school rather than sitting.
Okay. Because the tendency, the adoption is much more in kids. So
Yeah.
how they attract to one thing, similarly
Yes.
relinquish when the situation comes in. That's what you were trying to say.
Right. And this is something that I have learned from children. Let me tell you the fact. I have learned acceptance is something that you can learn from children.
Yeah.
And ignorance, something that is worrying you, just ignore it. These two things I have learned from children in my experience. And they are very helpful. Very, very
Yeah.
helpful.
Right. Thanks so much, Marmian, for clarifying this.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
That is Mihan's mom, and I don't know this Nidhi's galaxy.
Avantika's
Ma'am, could you,
parent is
yeah,
here.
please.
Yes, Mihan's
Hello.
mom
Yes,
can see us
yes.
now. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Actually, I'm using phone. I don't know how to use Zoom on phone. A laptop is not charged, so I was figuring out where it is. I'm so sorry. So
That's
sorry.
No,
okay.
no, no
It's
worries.
Hello,
No
hello.
worries.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
team HOH.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, your turn to talk.
Ma'am, give me 1 minute. If somebody else can
Sure,
talk,
sure,
I'll
sure.
plug my earphone.
Yeah.
Yes.
First of all, Avantika's dad is here, and there is someone connecting here called Nidhi's Galaxy. May I ask who that is? Sanchita teacher, Manisha teacher, do you know? Is that Neil's father? I'm unable to figure it out. Okay. Avantika's father, many congratulations to you,
Thank you.
on that little bundle who has joined. That's really, really sweet. I saw her photographs. It's so cute.
Thank you.
His pandemic में एक अच्छा news, that was really cute.
Yes.
That's lovely. Many congratulations. I hope she's doing well. She's developing fine.
Yeah, she's developing quite fast. Yeah, and she's doing good. Yes.
Good. What have you named her?
Congratulations.
Vaishali.
Vaishali. Wow.
Vaishali. Yeah.
Nice. So yes, Avantika's father, any concerns, any feedback that you would like to talk to us about?
Nothing much of a concern from my side. So we were actually not able to quite attend the classes regularly since Vaishali was born. So she has missed quite a few classes during that time. So so she's little lagging behind in few of the things where she's in her writing speed, numbers, and everything. She's able to write, but she is not to keep up with the speed in which the teachers are going in class and at the same time when other kids are following. So we are just taking some extra effort from our side so that she is on par and she's able to do those things. So that's the only thing which I found, but nothing to mention from the school side. But it's since we have missed quite a few classes, we had that problem. But otherwise, she is doing good, and I'm happy with the way things are going with the curriculum and whatever you guys have been going through all this time. So it's good that we never gave up during this time, not leaving schooling, and we just continue to progress because I don't think until next year, school academic year, nothing is going to start from what I see. So at least if we had not had this opportunity to go through, we might have missed an entire year. So that will be like a one whole year setback for the everyone, not just so it's good thing you guys kept pushing, and parents and everybody have cooperated, and it's gone well. So I'm really happy with the way things are going and the way she is done as well. So thanks to the entire team, everybody, for making this happen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such lovely, appreciable words. As you rightly said, pushing.
Yeah.
Okay, so that pushing is called as stretching our strengths. So
Yeah.
we proved ourselves that this is also possible. So
True.
this impossible came to us as I am possible.
Yeah.
So
True.
we can do
That's
it,
right.
and yes, together, tripolar. So together we made it, and yes, even if there is, God forbid, a bigger corona or bigger virus, I think we can sail through. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Schools may sail
That's
through.
right. Yeah.
Children are doing, up jokes apart, children are really doing good. At this age, when children are able to mute, unmute, on, off, they know how to unmute and then talk. I mean, it took.
Yeah. Junior KG kids, they are doing. Junior KG kids, they are doing mute and mute alone. We don't have to
Exactly,
do.
yeah.
They unmute, consciously unmute and then talk. This is something that I have learned.
Exactly.
I used to talk when is there something like they unmute and then they talk, Mama, keep quiet. And I have seen that happening, and that's so nice. I said, Arey वाह, ऐसे भी करते किया जा सकता है. So that's really
Exactly.
nice. Children have
Nowadays,
grown
we are just sitting next to her and she just does the unmute, mute, stop video, close everything. We are just
Yeah.
sitting right next to her. That's it. Nothing we are doing from our side. That's
Right.
very nice. Yeah.
And regarding the curriculum, you said that she has missed. Don't worry. Don't stress her. Please let her enjoy her vacation.
Yeah.
If you feel like that she is showing some liking or some interest that she wants to write, then help her. Otherwise, it's fine. Otherwise, it's fine. Let her play with baby. You all enjoy family time. Welcome the younger one. And that's fine if she has missed. Don't worry.
Sure. That will be a problem. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. This is Sita's mother.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, 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 yes. We can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. As we are discussing that kids can do that, just Sita wanted to log in on behalf of me.
Okay. See, I mean, your fingers are also tuned. कि मुझे खुजली करनी है, करना है कुछ तो. If not now, then when we have to.
Yes.
Right. Very good, Sita.
Yeah, daily Sita and Abhiram, they log in on their own, ma'am. Just they open my phone and they open the WhatsApp and they only log in themselves. She can do everything on her own. Abhiram also started logging in on his own, ma'am. Now she's here for PTM, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So Somesh sir, your answer is with her only, you know. She has accepted this change. Probably she'll accept that change unknowingly. You never know that she accepted that change.
She is smiling.
Yeah. See, sir, this is very easy. Acceptance from children. No other can teach us this acceptance. Whether it is acceptance of a person, acceptance of environment, acceptance of anything, methodology, acceptance of change, children will teach us. Good chapter to learn from. Thank you, Sita.
Mihan's mom, would you like to speak? Are you comfortable with the connection now?
I'm ready. Yes.
Yes. Any
Yes,
concerns?
ma'am.
Any
Yes.
concerns you have? Any improvement suggestions? Please go ahead.
Nothing as such, ma'am. First of all, good morning to everyone and
Good
happy
morning.
Dhanteras and happy Diwali to all the parents and team of HOH.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
Thank you.
Everything is going smooth. Yeah, even apologies from my end. We have been missing the lectures quite a few this particular month because of thoda work schedules and the Diwali and celebration and all that thing. So really sorry for that, but I'm taking my effort to cover that up in the evenings, which Mehan keeps showing his teacher, bula bula ke, I did this, I did that.
Yes.
I had only one request. Ma'am, this fellow, my son, he is like जब sir exercise करेंगे, he never does exercise. जब sir करेंगे तब मैं करूँगा. And when ma'am gives fill in the blanks, like she gives numbers, no, 15 then 18, and you have to read out. Then when I teach him in the evening, नहीं 11 teacher ने नीचे लिखा था, आपको नीचे लिखना है. I have a tough time explaining, नहीं बेटा वो dictation था, she was asking you and I can't figure out. तो मैं मैम को डिस्टर्ब करती, मैम ये मुझे ऐसे बोल रहा है करने के लिए, how do I teach? तो थोड़ा बस ये कंसर्न मेरी तरफ से मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ. They are like 11 टीचर ने नीचे लिखा था. So in the evening when I make him write 1 to 10 or something, 11 तो नीचे आना चाहिए. और when giving before and after, no, K dash J and all that things, नहीं ये पीछे आना चाहिए, ये आगे आना चाहिए. And I am just wondering कि मैं कैसे figure out करूँ, अब इसको कैसे instruction दूँ कि क्या है. So बस मेरा एक वो है कि उसमें एक help मिल जाती.
So this is a very simple trade of showing that your child is systematic and organized. And he prefers that, right? So simple hai ki you can interact, you can send a message on the group saying that could I have this because I missed. Teachers are there to help you. But don't every time give him that saying that अरे नीचे था तो क्या हुआ, ऐसा नहीं, उसको वैसा चाहिए तो वैसा मांग लो आप कि टीचर हमको दे दो. The day he is absent, you please put a note saying that my child will not attend the school today. request you to please give me
Okay.
the screenshots of whatever is done in the class, and then do it. Right?
Great.
He is an organized
Yes.
child. We don't want to change him. धीरे धीरे sikha, but that's too early. So interest nahi chala
Okay,
jana
okay.
chahiye. Because teacher is doing it that way, they will accept it from the teacher only. Later they will take it कि मम्मी भी
Yes.
वही सिखा रही है.
Yes, yes.
So they have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
understand that. Otherwise,
Ma'am, and
everything is
one
going fine. We are also happy with his progress.
yeah. And only one feedback or request I had, ma'am. वो जो ma'am match the columns and screen पे करवाते हैं, quite innovative they are. वो ma'am when the kids answer no, the teacher matches it with the picture, so that is very interesting to them. So if those we can get on email, no, we can take a printout and make them do with their own hands. You know, also a part of revision, and because they feel it very interesting, no, वो लैपटॉप के ऊपर ऐसे उंगली घुमाने की कोशिश करता है, ये इससे मैच करो इससे.
Y'all are so
He
much
can't
like
do,
us.
no.
You know, y'all are so much like us. I would like to tell you, we totally got what you are saying, and that brings me that you all are
Uh-huh.
going to get a pile of worksheets, which we
Okay.
want children to do. We will give you post
हाँ जी.
Diwali because we don't want you all to make the
Okay.
child sit before Diwali until ये
Yes.
खत्म कर ले तो हम छुट्टी के लिए आराम से कर सकते हैं. नहीं, we want the children
नहीं.
to enjoy Diwali. Post Diwali, we are going to post you maybe on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever. Get those worksheets done from your children. That's it. Whenever the child is with it.
Okay.
थोड़ा पेंसिल पेपर का फील आ जाए, करने का फील आ जाए, because junior senior they should get this. So we are going to send it.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Yes, yes. Otherwise, he's loving all the teachers, ma'am. He misses the teachers. जिस दिन छुट्टी रहता है, he comes and sit at the same time. मैं तो सोऊंगा ही नहीं, मेरा स्कूल का टाइम है. पहले तो मुझे स्कूल में टीचर से बात करूंगी, मैं स्कूल में बैठूंगा, मुझे तो पढ़ाई करनी है. मैं फिर ही सोता हूँ ना, आपको पता है. He so much misses even during the holidays. So that's a very good thing. And the teachers are doing so good, and the kids are loving. Even on online, वो interaction और वो love maintain करना is so like appreciable, ma'am. So yes, thank you to all the teachers for this.
The
Thank
teachers,
you,
we have
thank
got
you.
our report card today.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks to all.
Thank you.
Ma'am, and
Thank you for
Sanchita ma'am,
mentioning that.
ma'am, one thing
Sure,
to
sure.
Sanchita ma'am, वो आपको बहुत हैरान करता है. I feel कि मैम को लगता होगा he always asks about game वाली teacher, that is the other teacher, but ऐसा नहीं है. He is like ये टीचर को तो मुझे ये सवाल पूछना ही है. उसके मन में ऐसा है कि मतलब he likes you also very much. But
I
he
know,
knows
I know.
Sanchita teacher के साथ तो करना है.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
It's
ma'am.
natural. It's natural.
Yes, we open mic for.
हमारी क्लास में उतनी ही मस्ती करता है. हमारे साथ तो खेलते ही रहते हैं.
Yes, we open mic for Soumya's mom. Soumya mom. आपके कुछ फीडबैक, आपके कुछ इंसाइट, आपके कुछ डायरेक्शंस. हमको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. आपका माइक अरेंज. Wow.
How cute. Soumya,
They
जोर
are
से बोल
children
दो.
of head over heels. They are children of head over heels.
Soumya, तुम ही बोल दो.
Wow. Very good, Soumya. बोलो बोलो बेटा. आप बोलो. बोलो ना.
Tell Soumya. Tell us. बोलो बेटा. बोलो.
मेरी अच्छी चल रही है.
Yes.
मुझे बहुत पसंद है स्टडी.
स्टडीज
Okay.
अच्छी चल रही है. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है स्टडीज में. वेरी गुड. और
एक्टिविटी भी बहुत अच्छी होते हैं.
Okay. Wow.
Soumya, you have written beautiful sentences in beautiful handwriting.
Yes.
A big round of applause for you, beta. Very good.
Thank you, teacher. Happy Diwali.
Same
Happy
to you.
Diwali to you, beta.
बहुत अच्छे से
Okay.
कर रही है और अपने आप कर लेती है, मुझे कुछ करवाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।
Good. Good.
अच्छा,
Very
Good,
good.
good, good.
बस.
thank you, thank you.
और थोड़ा सा टीचर ईवीएस का थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है उसे समझ में नहीं आता है। ईवीएस का जो लेक्चर होता है उसे थोड़ा, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम है ना थोड़ा सा, इसलिए नहीं समझ में आता।
हो जाएगा वो, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज के हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो वो बहुत सी चीजें समझ पा रही है अभी, बहुत सी चीजें समझ रही है। अगर वो 100% नहीं समझ पा रही है तो भी 95% समझ पा रही है, 5% के लिए थोड़े दिन और दे दो, वो भी हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी।
And Soumya, if you can't understand, tell me in the class, beta.
बाकी सब अच्छी तरह से कर रही है, कोई इशू नहीं है। वो जो आपको थोड़ा बहुत दे देते हैं वो उसी क्लास टाइमिंग में जो ब्रेक होता है 5 मिनट 10 मिनट, उसी टाइम में मैं कंप्लीट कर लेती हूँ और सेंड भी कर देती हूँ।
एंड भी कर देती है वो।
Yes, yes, she is doing. I saw that day. She is keeping the picture and she is doing.
करेक्शन मुझे करने भी नहीं देती है, कुछ होगा तो मुझे नहीं दिखाती, डायरेक्टली सेंड कर लेती हूँ।
गुड गुड, अच्छी बात है, इंडिपेंडेंट चाइल्ड, अच्छी बात है, वेरी गुड। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू फॉर योर फीडबैक एंड वेरी गुड, गुड गोइंग सौम्या, कीप इट अप, सौम्या कीप इट अप।
हैप्पी दिवाली टीचर।
Same to you
Happy
all.
Diwali.
Yes, Chelsea, open for Nidhi.
That is Neil's,
That's Neil's father.
dad.
Neil's dad.
father.
Hello, teacher. Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
Nikhil.
Hello.
How
Happy
are you,
Diwali.
Nilo?
Happy Diwali, bolo.
Happy Diwali, Neil.
Bolo.
Neil, big
Happy
smile, big smile. That smile,
big
little
smile.
smile,
Teacher,
smile. It's coming, it's coming. I can see. Yes.
Thank you, Nilu. Happy Diwali to you too.
Happy Diwali to you, the teacher said. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
So overall, I think things are pretty okay, good. It's just that I presume thoda we can emphasize on reading. Make children read. I know they're very young, senior KG. And I saw a couple of sessions on reading also. So yeah, so it's a good habit if we inculcate this habit of reading books, reading stories, reading. That would be a good habit to inculcate. That way they will learn faster, because what they speak, if they know how the word sounds, if they can see the words also, they will learn faster.
True, sir. True, sir. And to express, you need vocabulary to express. Through reading,
Exactly.
you get rich vocabulary. So once they get rich vocabulary, things becomes much simpler for
Much simpler,
others
right.
for them to express and others to understand. So if your children is fond of reading, give them books. If they are not interested in reading, inculcate the habit of reading by you reading, being an example. Sit with the child, read few simple sentences, simple words, and then take it to a higher level.
So at least daily basis he's not studying, but yeah, once I would say twice or thrice a week. I mean, one of us ask him. In fact, we have to kind of push him to think 5 sentences, and we'll help him in writing those sentences. Some words he knows because teacher has already told him. The, and, had, has, was, all these words. Some words he needs help with spelling, but we tell the phonics, he is able to write.
Wow.
And reading also we are inculcating. I mean, whatever storybooks, we have ordered some books also from Amazon, practice books, logical reasoning books also. So though I mean he doesn't do it on a daily basis, but yeah, he does it. So
No, see, reading on daily basis is not something that you have to practice every day. But once you get into habit of reading, the child will start reading every day.
right.
So the objective should be that he should be interested. Don't make it a rule. Try to make it a hobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So,
Right.
make it a hobby so that he reads every day. Aaj reading time nahi hua beta, that becomes compulsion. Child will not enjoy. because that thought of doing it every day is not good.
Right.
But अगर आप उसको hobby में incur कर लेंगे तो the child will read himself or herself every day. But yes, reading must twice a week, thrice a week, प्यार से कैसे भी करके, you know, but not with force. They will never develop this reading habit if you are forcing the child to read just because you know that this is going to help the child to get information and express and learning. Don't force the child.
Yeah, sure. I mean, yeah, we try to do it at least 3-4 times a week, but yes, I mean that's how we are doing it.
Good. Yes, Neil have shown good progress also. We have seen him like being a senior KG child, okay? So he really sounds like a senior KG child. So he has
Thank
grown
you.
beautiful, very confident. Yeah, the times that we had some observation during junior KG, now I think online that's not our observation. So he is putting in effort. That's really nice. Thank you, sir. Yes,
Good.
sir. Sanvi's mom or father, Kavita, they were online and now they are not. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Firstly, extremely sorry I joined late. There was a sudden meeting which came up, which I had to join. So apologies for that. So yeah, Sanvi, she's doing fine. And needless to say, as everyone told, I mean, a big thanks to all the teachers for all the efforts that they're putting. I mean, it's amazing. No words for that. So yeah, she's doing fine. She likes the class. Sometimes, you know, it gets hard to control her, but she's she likes the class. But sometimes, so lately, the last week I believe we were having some problems with our network, so we had to miss a few sessions, but otherwise we feel things are going fine. Her writing is something which we are trying to help her with, but otherwise I think she's doing great. Yeah.
Good. Sanchita teacher, Manisha teacher, anything you would like to add for Sanvi?
No, she is doing, but sometimes she is playing with that toy. If she is with a toy, so she is focusing on that toy only. Otherwise, she is listening, but you cannot say that she's focusing on you, but she's focusing on the topic. Whatever you are teaching, she is focusing on that, but she's not focusing on you. But her hearing ability, you can say, if you are asking, immediately she will give you answer.
Yeah,
But,
that's what you're very right. We keep telling her, look at the teacher, but she's listening. She remembers what is being said.
Yes.
But in the meanwhile, she keeps on doing something else. But the moment you ask a question, she gives the answer.
I saw that. I experienced that one. That she is answering our questions, but she is not focusing on you. Don't assume that she will look at you eye to eye contact. No, that is there.
Yeah, she's not doing that.
No, it's natural, sir, because it's virtual class. They are watching other kids are also there. And if you're putting on speaker view now, somebody other is talking, immediately my picture will go on and that picture will come. So it's difficult for them to concentrate on that. That also there.
But as long as she is learning and teacher is satisfied that the learning is happening, we are also fine. Whichever way, you know, it's not easy. Not easy for everyone to accept it. But yes, if she is doing it her way and learning it, we are fine. We are absolutely fine. Good. Nice to hear that from senior KG and junior KG. Yes, Manisha teacher, you want to say something? Sanchita teacher, would you like to add something since parents are all there in the group? Kavita teacher, you want to say something?
Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, I like to add some words for teachers. Actually, I like the teaching very much, and the kids love the teaching, and she loves her teachers. I like Manisha teacher. I like Sanchita teacher. And previously, actually, the PT class was only for from grade 1. It was not there for junior KG and senior KG. She was used to ask me, Mama, when will I have the PT class? Why sir is teaching only to Bhaiya? Why not to me? He used to say that. So now we have the PT classes, and maybe very much happy that she's also having PT classes. And while teacher on one day, teacher was showing one video of the Little Mermaid story. She remembered that last year when she was in the junior KG, she got a book from the library of the school. Mama, yes, the same story I read in the book which I got from the nursery. So you should order the book for me. I ordered this book for her.
Yes, yes.
We have this book in school.
Right, right.
We have this book in school also, and she's reading that book, and she said,
Yes.
this book.
Yeah, the next day she showed it to teachers and said, teachers, I asked my mama to order the book and now I got it. I'm very much happy, she said. And I really like how the teachers are teaching and the efforts they are paying, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank
Thank
you.
you very much. Anything else? Niels, Papa, you had asked us to open your mic.
Yes, yes. So I just wanted to say, I mean, to teachers, thank you. Thank you for your all the support. Uh, Probably one concern I have with Neil is that when he's in the class, whatever teacher asks her, he will reply to that, and when others are replying, is not very attentive in that sense. So probably when other children are replying, he is in his he start saying and on. So when questions are asked to him or he has to do something, then at that time he focuses. But once his chance is over, he's like, my chance is over. Now this is Sita's chance or this is Soumya's chance. I mean they are answering questions and all. I'm done.
He got conscious now.
Good things about it.
Okay, okay. But let me tell Dad, that's so very natural at all age, you know.
I'm saying good things.
No, Neil, that is good. That is good, Neil.
It's okay.
You're saying
It's
very good.
nice.
Look, suno.
It is good that you answer.
Very good.
नील को पता है कि आप टीचर क्या करने वाली है, बताओ. नील अब टीचर की तरह सोचने लगा. सुपर जॉब नील.
This thing's very good.
Shows, yeah, this shows that नील को पता है कि अब मेरा चांस इतने 10 मिनट के बाद आएगा, तब तक एक चाय पी कर आ जाता हूँ.
No, that's why I'm telling them.
Work from home का कुछ फायदा बच्चे भी तो उठाने चाहिए ना. They should learn to take breaks.
They are taking full advantage of work from.
This was to lighten
it's going to happen for a year. Let them do it.
But sir, this was see when you look at this, no, when parents are noticing this, I would like to applaud that. This is a very good point that you have noticed that he is doing that and you want him not to do that, right? Otherwise, it's okay for us कि चलना उसका turn हो गया, अब नहीं सुनेगा तो भी. But as a parent, if you have genuinely mentioned that it is very important to give listening ears to others also.
Yes.
See, that's
Exactly.
a quality.
So, see, the point is, I mean, whatever has been asked to you, you replied correctly or incorrectly. That's fine. But after that, if teacher would be asking a different question and other children would be replying in a different manner, so that way you learn something beyond what you think.
Right.
So that is very important. So I know, I mean, it's not a true professional environment for them. They are not sitting in a class. That is why these things are happening. Once they get into class, hopefully next year, this habit will go away. So yeah, that's all.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you
So
so much for that thought
you have a
process.
solution, and I'm happy that you know that. Yeah. This is absolutely good. Very nice, sir. That's how it's going to be, because later you have to have listening ear for others point of view.
Exactly.
See the mindset,
Exactly.
open discussion, or mindset is totally different when you have. Otherwise, it's my way or no way, and that attitude is not good. For socializing, that attitude is not good. So good that you notice that, but give him some time. He's yet too young.
Yeah. Thank you.
But good that you are sensitive to this point. Very good. See, sometimes, when I listen to such parents, let me tell you, Abhi, I couldn't take it, but I want to express it. When I feel it's a eureka moment to have this group of people with us. It makes our work more lighter. And we can think beyond. छोटी छोटी चीज में खेलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. हम इससे ज्यादा क्या कर सकते हैं? It give us another feather to fly higher. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thanks, ma'am.
Ruhanika's mom wants to share something.
Not share, but I want to ask from teachers as well as other parents if you can suggest some like indoor games or some reasoning games for kids of this age group, because my Ruhanika doesn't want to sit in front of TV or computer, and she doesn't want to do anything online. So anything hard, paper-based, if you can suggest, because whatever I have given her multiple these jigsaw puzzle games, but for whatever I find for her age group, that's too easy. And if I go beyond that, that's become a little hard for her. So I'm not being able to find the kind of right game for her. So if any one of you can suggest some games or
Yanchita teacher and Manisha teacher, please make note of it. Give us couple of days. We shall discuss and forward it. Probably to all parents. Few games. We don't want them to spend time on the screen. But yes, we will try to figure out some games which will integrate with their learning also.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Neil's father, if you can share the books names which you were telling about that you.
So I will share with you on the chat group, and because we have ordered a couple of books since last, once this lockdown period started. Initially we realized that it's very difficult to engage the child within the boundaries of
the house.
These four walls. Yeah. So after say around May, June, we started ordering books. So we have ordered a couple of books, exercise books, which are puzzles, which are simple English, and it's it's a senior KG plus or senior KG around books, which will involve him do colors, do identify patterns, match the column.
These are all activities books. Sir, sorry to interrupt. These are all activities books. Right? So
activity books in different format.
Yeah. So, ma'am, instead of of course, Neil's father will share, but instead of that, you can also explore this. There are number of books. See what she finds, easier or challenging. Accordingly, you can download the worksheets and give. Activities are there.
Exactly.
So there are many activities available.
There are a couple of games also that we play, something like this is something we have started doing, like I will say one word, say apple, so last letter is E. So now my Neil's mom will tell one word with E, then she will say elephant, then T, then Neil will say tiger.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I do agree.
Last year he used to play this.
Word building game. We play that in us.
Yes. Last year he used to play this in the school. We used to play this game in the school.
This is Neil.
Yes, I agree with Neil's father, ma'am. Actually, this is also the activity means. This activity.
Yeah.
This is also an activity kind of thing
and puzzle.
Yes. So many puzzles and so many books. So they're enjoying finding the differences.
Right.
Yes. They're able to find the difference.
Actually, thing is, like, I had also ordered, but thing is, she is like maybe in between, whatever for her age group now, she's find it very easy. And if I go beyond one level or two levels, that's become difficult for her. So I'm not able to find the right, like,
you know what, parents, I feel rather than book and pencil, that becomes a steady time. Rather than book and pencil, can we have something like indoor games? Maybe there are flashcards or maybe there are letters where they assemble and make a word like ANT ant or POT pot. That will help them. And that will take a lot more time. So that is more what to say, engaging. That is more engaging and involvement games. Yeah. Yes, Kavita.
Okay. If you're specifically looking for books, this is one book I would like to suggest.
Yeah, we have this.
This
Yeah.
has different age group, okay, associated with it. This book has different age group available. You will find this on Amazon. You'll find it on First Cry. Now, this is such a thick book. It literally has 365 activities. It's a huge book. Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
it's
this
huge.
has everything you want, from joining the dots to coloring to puzzles to crossword. I mean, you don't have to
Right.
tell the child कि आज ये page करो, वो page करो. They can literally just sit, turn the page and see आज क्या है, चलो आज ये करते हैं. Just close the book, open any page, see वो क्या करना है. So you will see that this book is got, you just name it and too many things in it. Okay. But then if you're going to make it like a work that they have to do every day, then they're going to lose interest in this also. So they should be lying around. Like when we are trying to, wean children, toddlers out of the bottle and bring them into a sipper, what you typically do is leave the sipper around with your toys. Okay. And then they gradually start looking at it, they start taking interest in it, and then you take away the bottle and you put the sipper in place of that bottle, the feeding bottle. Then they realize, okay, this is not something new, it is something that I used to play with, now I can drink from this. It will take 2-3 days to adjust. But then if I start forcing it, they're going to just get away from it. So keep a few options around. So it is lying around. Don't look for a clean house when you're looking to get your child creative. They are going to mess it. So let it be messy. ऐसे लगने दो कि घर में बच्चा है, ना कि होटल का resort room है. It's going to be vacation. Let the things be lying around. If you want them to pay attention to it, sometimes it has to just be lying around where they can see it regularly and then just pick it up and do it. Now, the other thing is get them, this is a good time for certain plants to grow. Okay. And they have 3 weeks. It will be a very nice activity if you get your child to do something into plantation. Winter plants are very good. They can be kept outdoors. They can be kept indoors. Give your child the responsibility to grow a plant. Even if it is just a steel glass with water in it and one little sapling of money plant. Ask them to change that water every day. You will see it's a fine motor skill. They have to hold it, take the sapling out, throw the water, fill water in the glass and put that sapling back inside. Okay. So very, very simple activity which they will take responsibility. अरे तुमने खाना खाया, पानी नहीं दिया प्लांट को, उसको भूख नहीं लगेगी. You remind them of their responsibility. You give them that. Now, also when it comes to getting creative and thinking differently, even if not games, there are I'm assuming some of you would be having a microwave in the house. It's, pretty much like having a gas stove at home these days. There are these 2-minute cake that you can make in a ceramic mug.
Yes,
You just
yes,
Google
yes.
2-minute cakes. Okay, mug, or I think it is called mug cake. I think that's what it is called, mug cake.
Mug cake, yes.
Mug cake. They're
Yes.
literally for like you can make it in 2 minutes. Microwave में डालो, वो सारा mixture डाल के microwave में डालो और 2 मिनट के लिए set करो, cake बन जाता है. Okay, do these things with children. Now what you're doing is you're increasing their vocabulary, and that's important. Do these things with children, it will be a lot more interesting. Games, just keep 5 glasses, steel glasses सामने रखो, and घर में ball तो मिलता ही है. बोलो aim at glass number 3, aim at glass number 2. Just number or label the glasses. Okay. भले आप उसको 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 करके label कर दो, not in sequence. Okay. Or maybe you just label them as X, Y, Z, A, B. Okay. Just label these glasses randomly and give a ball and tell them aim at that ball. You're giving them hand-eye coordination and you're also letting them understand कि कौन सा letter किधर है और किस पे aim करना है. Very, very simple games you will start finding in the house itself. Okay. फिर this one game is very good for focus. हम किसी भी कार्निवल में जाएंगे वो खेलते हैं कि 3 कटोरी रहती है, एक के नीचे एक स्टोन रहता है, फिर उसको ऐसे 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 जगल करना है, and now find out किसके अंदर स्टोन है.
Yeah, do that.
Do that. It is so much fun. They'll keep getting involved in that the whole day.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice games that you can write on your fingers. teacher I think had done this recently in the class, and उसको बंद करो, उसको खोलो, get them to talk to each other. अच्छा ये है, ये इसका character का ये नाम दे दो. You don't have to go out to buy anything. इस character को ये नाम दे दो, इस character को ये नाम दे दो. तुम ही लिख दो नाम अपने हाथ में. It's okay, let them get messy. It's okay, but they will learn. यहाँ पे इसका नाम यहाँ पे लिख के दे दो और चलो ये इसको क्या बोल रहा है, ये इसको क्या बोल रहा है, अब इसका क्या सोच है, ये इसको ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा है. You are increasing their vocabulary. They are building sentences. Very simple games just on 4 fingers. A lot of fun. So, but you can also introduce them to Ludos, introduce them to Snake and Ladder. Simple games. You can also introduce them to chess.
Yeah, we play chess, but he plays in a different manner.
That's okay. That's okay. But introduction is important. हम भी जब कोई introduction of letters या numbers करते हैं, उनका सोच अलग ही रहता है और हमको लग रहा है कि हम सिखा रहे हैं, but वो कहीं और रहते हैं. But eventually they get there.
Playing chess.
All right. Anything else, parents? Anything that you would like to share, ask, say?
Devendra sir is raising his hand.
His mic is open.
Okay, मैम आप जो ऊपर हम कर सकते हैं, जैसे मैम ने कहा ग्लास रखने, तो आप वैसे कुछ अलग चीजें रख सकते हैं, एक बकेट या बॉक्स रख सकते हैं साइड में. तो आपको कहना है कि वो चीजों का नाम देके आप पिक करके उसमें डालना है. फर्स्ट 2 या 3 बार उसको प्रैक्टिस देना है. उसके बाद आप उसके टाइम लगा सकते हैं कि आप कितने टाइम में ये कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. तो उसको थोड़ा सा उनके लिए चैलेंज भी हो जाएगा और ये भी होगा. जैसे हमने एनिमल्स वॉक भी किए है बहुत सारे, मतलब उनको पता है, तो वो भी आप उसके अंदर इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि ये एनिमल वॉक करते जाना, यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस रखना है. मतलब अगर आपके पास स्पेस होगा तो हाफ ऑफ स्पेस के डिवाइड करना है. ये एनिमल वॉक इसी पोस्टर में करना है, ये एनिमल वॉक उस पोस्टर में करना है, और ये एनिमल वॉक उस पार्ट में करना है. ऐसे आप उनको टाइम देके भी मतलब एडिशन कर सकते हैं जितने भी आप गेम्स के लिए. क्योंकि जैसे इंडोर गेम के लिए हर टाइम अगर बॉल के साथ आप नहीं खेल पाओगे, क्योंकि हम घर में इधर उधर थ्रो करेंगे तो चीजें यहाँ पे होगी. तो इस हिसाब से आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं कि ग्राउंड लेवल पे जितने हम रख सकते हैं, मतलब बॉल्स रख सकते हैं या कुछ अलग, मतलब टाइम देके बस 2-3 बार उनको प्रैक्टिस करने देनी है, फिर आप उसके टाइम ऐड कर सकते हैं. तो उनको थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट भी बढ़ेगा कि हाँ यार मैंने ये 1 मिनट में किया था, मैं अभी इस पे कम मिनट में हमको करना है. तो थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग भी होगा और इंटरेस्ट भी होगा. तो ऐसे आप गेम घर में भी डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए ये नहीं चाहिए कि साइट पे देखना है या सर्च करना है, आप घर पे भी कर सकते हैं. जो हमने सिखाया है उस पे आप गेम मतलब इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. तब आपको ज्यादा बाहर की मतलब सोचने के लिए भी जरूरत नहीं. जो सीखा है आज, ठीक है आज जॉगिंग कर ली तो आज जॉगिंग पे गेम खेल सकते हैं, या एनिमल वॉक है तो उस पे गेम खेल सकते हैं.
Okay. Anything else that anybody else would like to share? Say. Open the mics.
No.
Okay. On that note, then we will wish everybody a wonderful Diwali. Have a beautiful Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali. Children, be safe. अगर पटाखे फोड़ोगे तो keep your distance. ज़्यादा मत करना. Have a certain limit and only do that much. Let's save the environment. Take good care of yourself. Love you, children. Wish you a very, very happy Diwali and happy Dhanteras.
Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, parents. Happy Diwali to you all as well.
Happy Diwali.
देवेंद्र सर को हमारे बच्चों ने I'm sorry, I forgot his name. कोहली. I'm sorry. Yeah, कोहली बना दिया. कोहली को जब भी IPL में देखते हैं तो देवेंद्र सर आगे बोलते हैं दोनों. इसको नाम याद है मुझे, भूल गए. कोहली. मैंने वो देसी कोहली जैसे देवेंद्र सर.
सर ये होता है नजरिया.
Wait for 1 second. Harika wants to say Happy Diwali.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Harika is saying Happy Diwali.
मेरे पास एक कुत्ता है.
Happy Diwali, Neil. Happy Diwali, Soumya. Happy Diwali, Mihan. Happy Diwali, Sita. Happy Diwali, Ruanika. Happy Diwali, Avantika. Happy Diwali to all.
Yes, happy Diwali, Soumya, Neil. Yes, happy Diwali, Soumya.
Kids, if you are going to make rangoli, please send me the pic of your rangolis, okay? I want to see the rangolis.
पिक्चर देना है सबको जब बनाना
Yeah, I want to see your
Happy
rangoli.
Diwali.
Yes,
Hello,
Yes.
Radhika.
Happy Diwali now.
Happy Diwali.
Bye, teachers.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye, Soumya.
Bye, friends.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye friends. Bye friends.
Soumya
Bye.
का अच्छा आने रूहानी का bye.
वो देखो मिहान को देखो आ रहा है वो देखो
Hello, Mihan. Happy Diwali.
वो देखो
पटाखे पटाखे लिया मेरे लिए?
he is thinking
मेरे लिए कहाँ है पटाखे?
सोच में पड़ गया। अच्छा ये भी मेरे लिस्ट में ऐड करना था क्या?
Happy Diwali. Say Happy Diwali, no?
Diwali, Mihan.
No?
Happy Diwali.
Happy
नहीं बोलना
Diwali,
है
baby.
यार,
No
नहीं
problem.
बोलना है
कोई बात
Okay,
नहीं,
no
जाओ
problem.
खेलो,
Enjoy.
जाओ खेलो. No problem.
Enjoy.
Bye. See you. Bye, Ruhanika.
Bye bye. Happy Diwali.
Bye, Vince Papa. See you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.